Matthews laptop tray kit. I've been doing more photography tethered, and I need a place to put my laptop. I was using a table. Then I had a whole setup using drummer kits, which I'll show later. But this is something that looked interesting to have. I haven't seen a lot of reviews on this, and I haven't been able to find it anywhere, so I ordered it online. So this has a big insert and then a little pocket here for the mount. This is just a regular, it looks like a regular tripod, or not tripod. This is a regular light stand mount. Doesn't articulate, unfortunately, and that's all it comes with. So here's the tray. Pretty simple, really lightweight. It's got some openings here for, I don't know, what is this for? Air ventilation, maybe? And then that is a 3/8 screws on there, and you could pretty much screw anything on there. So I guess I could screw on an Arca Swiss plate. I was thinking of putting this on a tripod. So there's some rigid areas here. It's just a thin piece of metal. There's no padding. I was looking at the Tether Tools version. Tether Tools has one. They have two different sizes. And the Tether Tools, I believe, has a mat. But I could just get a mat, and like a kitchen mat, and put it on here. Now here's the Matthews mount on a light stand. And this is a MacBook Air, a MacBook Air M2. That's like a 13 inch. And I think this could fit all the way up to even a 16 inch. And it's pretty sturdy. And now I'm thinking the openings right here on this slit, and then on the other side, I guess you could run Velcro or some kind of string and wrap it around the laptop just in case it tips over. Before I just got this. What I was using in the past, I was using this thing right here, Gibraltar, and this is just hardware for drummers. If you're a percussionist or if you're a drummer, then you're familiar with this little setup here. This goes on drum kits, and then drummers would mount this to their drum kit, and then they put their extra, like their wallet or any kind of sound music that they want to just use as a table, as a tray. So I'm going to mount this now to the same stand that this is on. So now you see right here, I've just mounted this right on the light stand pole here. And then this is where it lays, and I could put the laptop here and it's fine. It's not centered to the column of the stand like this one is, but this works. And as long as you have a counterbalance on the other side, this was fine. It supported the laptop. And I got a few of these, and then I could layer it. I could have several different shelves on a single C-stand or a light stand. This Matthews kit here was about $120 something. So maybe with tax, like 125. Let's say it's $125. And this one was more, I think, under 50. But I'll put a link for both of these products. But if you want to shoot tethered, this might be a good option, to an alternative option if you don't want to get an official type of laptop stand kit from either Matthews or Tether Tools.